Behold, the tapestry of time woven with the threads of wisdom from all corners of the earth. Humanity, the salt of the earth, forms a unified rice, seasoned by diverse beliefs and insights. True vision comes not from the eyes, but from the heart, a gift held by those who embrace their humanity. These are the opening words of the metaphorical king of the kingdom of God. But what does it mean to see not with the eyes, but with the heart? Come, journey with me through time and across cultures as we uncover ancient wisdom hidden in plain sight. First, we reach the vast lands of the Pacific Northwest. Here, Chief Seattle, a tribal leader, speaks to his people with words that would echo for centuries. Our people know that the earth does not belong to man. Man belongs to the earth. His insight wasn't merely rooted in environmental respect. It was an understanding, a vision springing from the spirit. Chief Seattle saw the unity of all life, how the living and the non-living exist in a balance we must honor and protect. We then transition across oceans to the rich soil of Australia, where Aboriginal elders have shared stories of the Dreamtime for thousands of years. In these stories, the land, animals, and people are connected through an eternal thread of creation. An elder joins our narrative saying, "In the Dreamtime, our ancestors taught us the songs of the earth, the wisdom in the rocks, and the stories in the stars." Understand, my friends, that your true vision is not with your eyes, but with your spirit. Their vision inspires harmony with nature, a mirror reflecting the inner self. Shift your gaze further east. Here, the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad come to life through the wisdom of the Quran, as carried forward by scholars like Imam al-Ghazali. He reminds us of the profound words of the Prophet, "Peace and blessings be upon him. The most beloved people to Allah are those who are most beneficial to people." Islam, like many other philosophies, serves as a guide towards the importance of nurturing love, empathy, and respect for all God's creation. This is sight, not of the eyes, but deeper, of the soul. Journey yet again, and find yourself in a tranquil temple under the Bodhi tree. The Buddha shares guidance. The way to enlightenment is not found in the world above, but below, in the heart. Remember, we are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think. Let the light of wisdom guide your inner sight. His teaching transcends the constraints of earthly vision, urging all to look inward to find the true essence of life. We stitch these narratives together, Chief Seattle, the Aboriginal elders, Islamic scholars, and the Buddha, all with unique wisdom, yet resonating in harmony. These stories are not isolated. They are pieces of a universal story that reminds us that sight and insight profoundly differ. The former is constrained by the physical world. The latter opens us to boundless understanding. In our conclusion, the King of the Kingdom of God returns, declaring, "Across every tradition, wisdom whispers of a vision unseen by the eyes but born in the heart. Those who truly see, feel from within, guided by humanity, compassion, and respect for all. Embrace this inner sight and let it lead you to peace, for we are all the salt of the earth, united in our diversity." The true journey is one of the heart, and it is yours to embrace. Will you open your heart to see? The answer, as always, lies within you.